Hi, my name's Tom, and we just discovered the world's best litter. That's actually what it's called. World's Best Cat Litter. It is a natural cat litter made out of corn. We've been using a lot of different crystal litters for a while. We have 2 cats and 3 litter boxes, and we kind of have them around the house. And we like the crystal litter because it's a little less dust, and it seems to last a little longer. It does seem to absorb some of the mess, and it always takes away some of the odor. We wanted something a little more natural, so that's where the world's best cat litter comes in. It says that it lasts 2 times as long and that things smell better. We've used it for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now. We have transitioned them. You actually put a little bit of regular litter into your litter box with this stuff. You kind of mix it in and get the cats kind of used to the consistency. From a pure, this is my clean litter box. From a pure odor standpoint, it does seem to help. It's still, if the cat doesn't cover it up, there is still a little bit of odor, but once it's covered up, it does seem to actually do a pretty good job with the litter or with the odor. It's actually pretty amazing. Our cats didn't have any problem getting used to it. We just mixed it all in there and they just kind of use it like normal. They didn't really think about it. They didn't seem to mind. And this is what this stuff looks like. It's very small, so crystals are actually going to be a little bigger than this. This is like little micro crystals, almost looks like little sand, but this is actually corn and it is septic safe, so you can flush this. We haven't done a lot of that yet. We're still kind of in the mode of we still put them in little bags and we still take them out to the trash, but we may start to go ahead and flush. It does go down fine. Like, it does say it's safe. It's corn, so I guess it's biodegradable. It almost looks like you can eat it. I would not recommend that. But it looks like almost like a cereal of some sort, but it is corn. It just feels like tiny little pebbles. It's nice and small, so it's kind of soft on their paws. It doesn't hurt. It's not sharp. Again, we've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and we've had good luck with it. This is supposed to be the Lotus flower scent. It has almost no scent whatsoever. We didn't really smell any perfumes or anything. It's very natural. The cats like it. It is a clumping litter, so it's easier to kind of pick those pieces out and just move them out of the way. I really like it. The cats seem to like it. I like the environmental, the natural aspect of it. So yeah, highly recommended. We would get more of this again.